In this video, we will explain the top 50 cryptocurrencies of 2023 as easy and simple as possible. So take a seat and let me teach you the simply world of cryptocurrency. Cronos is a blockchain platform that is designed for decentralized finance applications. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and allows for fast and cheap transactions. Cronos can be compared to a digital bank, where customers can access a variety of financial services and products on the blockchain. Near Protocol is a blockchain platform that is designed for decentralized applications. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and allows for high-speed, low-cost transactions. Near Protocol is like a digital marketplace, where buyers and sellers come together to buy and sell goods and services. Quant is a blockchain platform that is designed to connect different blockchains together. It allows for interoperability between different blockchain networks, making it easier for developers to build applications that work across multiple platforms. Think of Quant like a bridge, which connects two different areas and allows for easier travel and access. EOS is a blockchain platform that is designed for high-speed, low-cost transactions. It uses a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and can process up to 4,000 transactions per second. EOS can be compared to a subway system, which can transport large numbers of people quickly and efficiently. Decentraland is a virtual world that is built on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to create and interact with 3D content and experiences. Decentraland is like a video game, where players can explore and interact with a virtual world. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries like Binance or Coinbase. It uses an automated market maker system, which means that prices are determined by supply and demand rather than a central authority. PancakeSwap can be compared to a farmer's market, where buyers and sellers come together to trade goods and negotiate prices without the need for a central authority. EnergySwap is a blockchain platform that is designed for renewable energy trading and management. It allows producers and consumers of renewable energy to buy and sell energy on the blockchain. EnergySwap acts just like a stock exchange, where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares of different companies. The Sandbox is a decentralized gaming platform that allows players to create, share, and monetize their own games and experiences. It uses non-fungible tokens to represent virtual land and other assets within the platform. To understand the Sandbox, compare it to a theme park, where visitors can explore different attractions and experiences created by other visitors. Frax is a stablecoin that is designed to be more decentralized and stable than other stablecoins like Tether or USDC. It uses a fractional algorithm reserve system, which means that it is backed by a combination of stablecoins and collateralized debt positions. Frax can be compared to a basket of goods, where the value of the basket is stable and secure due to the combination of different items. Aptos is a blockchain platform that is designed for real estate investment and management. It allows investors to invest in properties and manage their portfolios on the blockchain. Think of Aptos as a real estate investment trust, where investors can pool their money together to invest in properties and manage their portfolios. Trust Wallet token is the native cryptocurrency of the Trust Wallet, which is a popular mobile wallet for storing and managing cryptocurrencies. It can be used to pay for trading fees and other services on the Trust Wallet platform. Trust Wallet token can be compared to a loyalty card for a specific store or brand, where customers can earn rewards and benefits for using the platform. Algorand is a blockchain platform that is designed for high-speed, low-cost transactions. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and can process up to 1,000 transactions per second. Algorand is like a bullet train, which can transport large numbers of people quickly and efficiently. Wemix token is a governance token for the Wemix platform, which is a decentralized platform for creating and sharing music content. Wemix token holders have voting rights in the governance of the platform. The Wemix token is like a backstage pass, which allows holders to access exclusive content and have a say in the direction of the music festival. VeChain is a blockchain platform that is designed for supply chain management and logistics. It allows companies to track and verify the authenticity of their products throughout the supply chain. VeChain can be compared to a barcode scanner, which allows companies to track and verify the authenticity of their products at various stages of the supply chain. Internet Computer is a blockchain platform that is designed to be a decentralized version of the internet. It allows developers to build applications and websites that run entirely on the blockchain. Internet Computer is in itself a virtual world, where people can interact and conduct business entirely online. Hedera is a blockchain platform that is designed for enterprise use cases. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and can process up to 10,000 transactions per second. Hedera is like your own private jet, which is designed for high-end use cases and can transport a small number of people quickly and efficiently. Frax Share is a governance token for the Frax protocol, which is a stablecoin that is designed to be more decentralized and stable than other stablecoins. FXS holders have voting rights in the governance of the protocol. Frax Share acts like a voting share in a company, where shareholders have a say in the management and direction of the company. Stellar is a blockchain platform that is designed for cross-border payments and remittances. It allows for fast and cheap transactions between different currencies and payment systems. Stellar can be compared to a currency exchange booth, where people can exchange one currency for another at a low cost. Immutable X is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum that allows for fast and cheap transactions. It uses zero-knowledge proofs to ensure privacy and security. Think of Immutable X as a fast lane on a highway, which allows for faster and more efficient travel. Filecoin is a decentralized storage network that allows users to store and retrieve files. It uses a proof of replication consensus mechanism, which means that files are stored on multiple nodes to ensure redundancy and security. Filecoin acts like a safety deposit box, where people can store valuable items and access them when needed. Bitcoin Cash is a cryptocurrency that was created as a fork of Bitcoin. It uses larger block sizes than Bitcoin, allowing for faster transactions. Bitcoin Cash is like a wider highway, which allows for faster and more efficient travel. Wrapped Liquid Staked Ether 2.0 is an ERC20 token that represents staked Ether on the Ethereum network. It allows users to trade and use staked Ether on decentralized exchanges and other Ethereum-based applications. Wrapped Liquid Staked Ether 2.0 can be compared to a deposit slip, where people can deposit money into a bank and receive a slip that represents their deposit. Huobi token is the native cryptocurrency of the Huobi exchange, which is another large cryptocurrency exchange. It is used as a utility token on the exchange, allowing users to pay for trading fees and other services. Huobi token can be compared to a membership card for a club or organization, where members can use the card to access certain benefits or services. Ethereum Classic is a cryptocurrency that is the result of a hard fork of the Ethereum network. It operates on a separate blockchain and has a smaller user base than Ethereum. Ethereum Classic is like a spin-off TV show, where a new show is created from an existing one but has a smaller audience and fan base. Monero is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that allows users to transact anonymously. It uses a technology called RingCT to obscure transaction details. Monero can be compared to a private room, where people can have conversations or conduct transactions without being overheard or observed. Lido DAO token is a governance token for the Lido protocol, which allows users to stake their Ether and earn rewards. LDO holders have voting rights in the governance of the protocol. Lido DAO token is like a shareholder in a company, where shareholders have a say in the management and direction of the company. Wrapped BTC is an ERC20 token that represents Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. It allows users to trade and use Bitcoin on decentralized exchanges and other Ethereum-based applications. It's like a foreign currency exchange, where people can exchange one currency for another to use in different countries. Toncoin is a cryptocurrency that was created by the messaging app Telegram. It was designed to be used as a payment method within the app, but has not been widely adopted. Toncoin function can be compared to a loyalty program for a specific store, where customers earn points that can be redeemed for discounts or special offers. Cosmos is a blockchain platform that is designed to connect different blockchains together. It allows for interoperability between different blockchain networks, making it easier for developers to build applications that work across multiple platforms. Cosmos is like a universal remote control which allows people to control different devices with a single device. Avalanche is a blockchain platform that is designed for high-speed, low-cost transactions. It uses a consensus mechanism called Avalanche, which allows it to process transactions faster and more efficiently than other platforms. We can compare Avalanche to a high-speed internet connection, which allows users to download and upload large files quickly and efficiently. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries like Binance or Coinbase. It uses an automated market maker system, which means that prices are determined by supply and demand rather than a central authority. Uniswap acts like a flea market, where buyers and sellers come together to trade goods and negotiate prices without the need for a central authority. DAI is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar and backed by collateral in the form of other cryptocurrencies. It is designed to be more decentralized and stable than other stablecoins like Tether or USDC. DAI can be compared to a pawn shop, where people can borrow money by putting up collateral in the form of valuable items. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created as a faster and more efficient version of Bitcoin. It uses a different mining algorithm and can process transactions faster than Bitcoin. Litecoin is like a sports car, which is designed to be faster and more efficient than traditional cars. Tron is a blockchain platform that is designed for decentralized entertainment content. It allows creators to publish and monetize their content without the need for intermediaries like YouTube or Spotify. Tron, it's like your own music festival, where creators can perform and showcase their content without the need for record labels or other intermediaries. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that was created as a joke, similar to Dogecoin. It has gained a large following in recent years and is often used as a way to show support for a particular community or cause. Shiba Inu is like a funny t-shirt that people wear to show support for a specific cause or community. Wrapped Ether is an ERC20 token that represents Ether, the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum platform, on the Ethereum network. It allows users to trade and use Ether on decentralized exchanges and other Ethereum-based applications. Wrapped Ether can be compared to a gift card that represents a specific amount of money, which can be used to purchase goods and services at a specific store. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that provides real-world data to smart contracts on blockchain platforms. It allows smart contracts to access data from outside sources, making them more versatile and useful. Chainlink is like a librarian who provides access to a variety of books and resources for people who need them. Solana is a blockchain platform that is designed for high-speed, low-cost transactions. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism and can process up to 65,000 transactions per second. Solana, it's like a high-speed train, which can transport large numbers of people quickly and efficiently. Polkadot is a blockchain platform that is designed to connect different blockchains together. It allows for interoperability between different blockchain networks, making it easier for developers to build applications that work across multiple platforms. Polkadot, it's your universal translator, which allows people who speak different languages to communicate with each other. Binance USD is a stablecoin, like Tether and USDC, but is backed by the cryptocurrency exchange Binance. It is pegged to the US dollar and used as a stable store of value. Binance USD can be compared to a piggy bank, where funds are securely stored and can be accessed when needed, with the added benefit of being pegged to a specific currency for added stability and predictability. Polygon is a blockchain platform that is designed to help other projects scale and improve their performance. It uses a sidechain architecture, which allows it to process transactions faster and at a lower cost than other blockchain platforms. Polygon can be compared to a road that bypasses a congested highway, allowing for faster and more efficient travel. Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a playful meme, has gained a substantial following in recent years. It is often used as a digital form of social currency, similar to how people use likes and shares on social media to show support for content or causes. Dogecoin can be compared to a virtual high five, where people use a gesture to show their appreciation or support for something they find funny or worthwhile. OKB is the native cryptocurrency of the OKEX exchange, which is another large cryptocurrency exchange. It is used as a utility token, allowing users to pay for trading fees and other services. OKB can be compared to a coupon that can be used to get discounts or special offers at a specific store. Cardano is a blockchain platform that is designed to be more energy efficient and sustainable than other platforms like Ethereum. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which means that it uses less energy to validate transactions. Cardano is like a hybrid car, which is designed to be more energy efficient and sustainable than traditional gas-powered cars. XRP is a cryptocurrency that was created by the company Ripple. It is often used for cross-border payments and remittances, as it allows for faster and cheaper transactions than traditional methods. XRP can be compared to a courier service, where it is used to send money across borders quickly and efficiently. Binance Coin is the native cryptocurrency of the Binance exchange, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It is used as a utility token on the exchange, allowing users to pay for trading fees and other services. Binance Coin is like a ticket that allows entry into a specific event or venue, where the ticket can only be used at that specific location. USDC is also a stablecoin, but is backed by a consortium of companies instead of just one. It is also pegged to the US dollar and used as a stable store of value. USDC can be compared to a group of people pooling their money together to create a shared bank account, where the value is pegged to a specific currency. Tether is also a stablecoin, which means that its value is pegged to the US dollar. It is often used as a stable store of value in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Tether can be compared to a virtual prepaid debit card, where funds are securely stored and can be used for transactions, with the added benefit of being pegged to a specific currency for added stability and predictability. Ethereum is a blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications and smart contracts. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency, but a platform for building other applications on top of it. It is the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Look at Ethereum as a smartphone, which is a platform that allows developers to build a variety of apps on top of it. And on the first place on our list, we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency. It was created in 2009 and operates on a decentralized network, which means it is not controlled by any government or institution. Bitcoin is known for its scarcity and security features, and is often used as a store of value or a medium of exchange. The best comparison for Bitcoin is gold, which is also a valuable asset that is limited in supply, and has been used as a store of value for centuries. And with that being said, we hope you enjoyed our video on the top 50 cryptocurrencies that 2023 has to offer. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will explain what cryptocurrencies are in a clear and easy way, so that practically anyone can understand. Thank you for watching.